Crisis management. So what is crisis management? So crisis management, this refers to how an organization handles a major or disruptive event that um, threatens the people, operations, reputations, and assets. So, kinsa man jud ni ang CMT or the Crisis Management Team. So, as you can see sa gibasa na to, so CMT is the multidisciplinary team. Muna ang mga multidisciplinary team, muna siya ang mga security officers and IT specialists, SR personnel, safety officers, legal advisors, executives or management, communication or public relations. So this is the multidisciplinary team kay these are professionals in terms of helping crisis to the environment. Yeah. So, unsa may buhaton sa CMT? CMT, di ba? Crisis Management Team. So, what does the CMT do? So, first ensures a structured and coordinated response. Second is minimizes chaos and damage. Third is allocate resources. Fourth is coordinates communications. And fifth, makes strategic decisions. So in summary, CMT helps manage crisis in different angles. So they are the one who protect people and the organization, reducing chaos, managing big and dangerous situations. These are the CMT, the Crisis Management Team. Sila ang mo-protect sa atoa people para mapalayo ta sa danger. Not just us, but also themselves. They protect us by protecting themselves, diba? So next is the business continuity and recovery. So makita man ninyo sa iyang pangan, business continuity and recovery. So let me read first. So business continuity and recovery plans to maintain or quickly restore critical business functions post-incidents. So kani siya kay the business would continue even if naay mga calamities or incident nga mahitabo. For example, typhoon. So you have a company and your company is kanang known, and then you have a lot of you have a lot of people or employee na naadira. So iniguman sa typhoon, you are sad or kanang doubtful ka kay basig dili ma continue ang imuhang business or whatsoever nga makuan siya, ma-bankrupt siya or ma-down siya or maunsa ba ma-fail siya kay nabay calamities niabot. So what would you do if that situation came or maabot sa imuha? The first the things you do to make your business continue or recover is ang katong mga important details or mga important informations or papeles nga dapat sa inyong business, dapat inyo na gisave ninyo, dapat inyong mga appliances inyong giuna og kanang hipos, mga mga butang nga maka-save sa inyong business, maka-recover dayon mo sa inyong business. Dili mo di mo magparasaban nga kanang okay ra man ang typhoon, dili ra man na siya kayo dili ra man kayo siya kusog. Kanang pakampante lang ba, no? Munang no sa kanang makampante ta, dili na ta makahuna-huna nga unsay ma, 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 ma- mangyari sa tua sa after mahuman ang kana nga kalamidad, no? So dapat you are very kanang kanang dapat Girl Scout kuan ka ba? Girl Scout or Boy Scout kanang coded ka. Laging handa, di ba? Laging handa ka dapat. Dapat if you're going to have a business, you are very very handa if this calamidad nga if this calamidad mo abot sa tua, diba? So you are not just kanang kuan, dili ka magpakampanti sa imong kagalingon kay ano kung brain ra ang imuhang ikuan, yes, makatabang ang brain, ang mind sa business, but those um those important details, important info, important papers, important etc. nga makatabang nga mapalago pabalik ang imong business, that is also important.